Hi there, my name is Karen Reynolds and I am an acupuncturist and registered nurse located in Corte Madera, California. And this edition of Ask the Expert is about plantar fasciitis. I have a lot of patients that come to me with complaints of plantar fasciitis. It can be one foot, it can be both, and irrespective of how it presents itself, it's pretty painful. So this edition is about things that you can do on your own to help with the pain and the inflammation that you're having from plantar fasciitis. I do encourage people to get acupuncture for this, and please note that this does not have to be acupuncture on the bottom of your feet. I myself personally do not use points on the bottom or the soles of the feet, so if you're worried that that's the case and that might be incredibly painful, please be aware that you don't have to have acupuncture points done on the bottom of your feet, and it can still be very effective. So one of the things that you can do to help yourself is to temporarily cut grains out of your diet, and that includes all grains like quinoa, potatoes, rice, especially gluten, especially flour. All grains have the ability to actually promote inflammation, so if you have inflammation anywhere in your body or an injury in your body, it will actually slow down the wound healing capacity that you have. Another thing that you can do is if you are a runner or you are involved in athletic activity that tends to aggravate your feet, you can get what's called a gait assessment. If you are here in the Bay Area, which is where I'm located in Northern California, you can contact Hazel at stridebystride.com. She is a Chi running coach, and she also has the ability to do fabulous gait assessments. And you may have issues with the way your foot is striking the ground that are modifiable and can give you some good pain relief. Some supplements that you can take orally are things like turmeric capsules. The thing about turmeric capsules is most people are not taking enough in order to be effective. You really need to take between 3,000 and 6,000 milligrams a day, and most people are only taking maybe 500 or 750 because the average capsule formulations are about that amount. So turmeric capsules really help reduce inflammation. You can also do omega fish oils. You need at least 3,000 milligrams a day of a good quality fish oil. And you can also do what are called arnica patches at night that you make yourself. So if you get cream or topical ointment that has arnica in it at nighttime, slather the arnica on the soles of your feet, and then take a strip of saran wrap or a square of saran wrap and tape it to the bottom of your feet. I do not advocate wrapping it all around your foot. That's not a good idea. But just take a strip and put it either on your heel, if the heel of your foot is the most painful, or across the bottom. What that does is it keeps the arnica ointment absorbing all night long instead of just a spot application. So it's very effective. Another thing that's very helpful is kinesiology tape. I'm not really going to go over that in this particular video. However, if you go to YouTube, you can definitely see all kinds of taping videos about how to support the feet, and kinesiology tape is readily attained at any sort of sporting goods store or ordered online. A couple other types of hot packs that you can make for yourself. You can do Epsom salts hot packs, or you can do castor oil hot packs. So Epsom salts hot packs can be made not by dissolving the Epsom salts, but actually taking 2 cups of Epsom salts, put them into like an old pillowcase, pop them into the microwave for a couple minutes to make the salts warm, and you can rest your feet on them. The Epsom salts hot pack is more soothing. It also fortifies the kidney chi from an oriental medicine perspective. If you opt for the castor oil packs, they are more detoxifying, and you can either order what are called Palma Christi castor oil packs from Amazon. They're pre-made and they're very easy, or you can make your own. So if you get regular castor oil, just like you would buy at a grocery store or a pharmacy, put it onto an old washcloth, pop it in the microwave to make it warm to whatever level is comfy for you, and rest your feet on them. The key with the castor oil packs is you do not want to reuse the castor oil because it does pull toxicity out of your skin. So make sure you toss those into the laundry after each use. Don't reuse the oil. Whereas the Epsom salts, you can reuse the salts. You're not really dissolving them, and they're not having direct contact with your feet. So I hope these are some helpful hints for dealing with plantar fasciitis. As I said, acupuncture is excellent for it, and I encourage you in that direction. And if you have questions, do please feel free to leave them here. And if you have more questions for Ask the Expert, I'm very open to them. Thank you very much. My name is Karen Reynolds. Have a great day.